When we breathe in, we inhale oxygen from the air. The air travels through the windpipe where it is filtered. The windpipe branches out to two tubes called bronchi, which carry the air into each lung. The right lung has 3 lobes. Superior lobe, middle lobe, and inferior lobe. The left lung is slightly smaller in size to give space to the heart. Lungs are made up of small and spongy air sacs where the fresh and filtered air is exchanged with carbon dioxide. If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website, sfpublishers.net, to discover more.